welcome back. Today I'll be doing a video on this hair from MyQueenWig. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this lilac color. This hair was originally a 613 blonde wig. It's 20 inches long. It's pre-plucked, natural hair parting, and the knots are already bleached for you, which is a plus. 6-inch parting on the lace. It's pretty much all the specs on the hair. The hair is really soft. Like, this is some good blonde hair. First out the package, it was soft, but when I washed it, dyed everything, it's way softer now, which is really weird. But it's really good hair, and there's very minimal shedding too, so that is always amazing. The hair color I'm using today is the blonde Brilliance Lilac toner. I used, I showed 3 of them, but I end up using 5. Okay, so I just squeeze all of that out, and there's Brooks. My developer, I just kind of eye it and just make sure the consistency is just very creamy and thick and not like too runny. If I sound very grungy, it is the morning time and I'm doing this voiceover, so please don't judge me. Normally I will put my wigs on a wig stand and you know, dye the hair like that. I was feeling a little bit lazy, so I just did it on a trash bag and I just put it from the ends up, and this process honestly is my least favorite. I'd rather do it on a stand, but I don't know, I wasn't feeling it, so. But I would suggest to do it on a stand so that you can make sure that the color distributes evenly, and it's just so much easier. So I let the hair sit for about 30 minutes. Honestly, I don't listen to the instructions. Don't be like me, but I let it sit for 30 minutes, and this is the color I got. It's very purple, so I'm gonna just start blow drying the hair now. I've used the Garnier Fructis Morning Slick and just put it all over the hair before I start to blow dry it. And yeah, I like to blow dry my wigs normally with like from the roots first, because I feel like that part is always wet no matter what, so I've learned to just start there first, make sure that that's on, and I'm done. Just kidding. She's looking a little crazy. We gotta, you know, comb her out some. I'm using the Aquage Beyond Shine Spray. I got this from Ulta. This is my new favorite spray. This stuff is amazing. Like, it got the hair so straight. It was super soft. Well, it is super soft. And weigh the hair down. It's really amazing. And I applied this directly onto each part. I didn't like do all over. I wanted to make sure that each. So look at the hair, it's so straight and so shiny. That was the back, now I'm doing the front side now, but honestly, that stuff is really good. all seen before how I do my wigs. I just use my boat hold and I just kind of measure where I want to place the wig and just apply the boat hold there. I do 2 coats of boat hold, by the way. I already applied one, but I didn't show that, but I'm just applying the second layer right now. Kind of getting on my hair, but I don't really mind it getting on my hair because I know how to take it off the proper way where it's not pulling out my edges. So PRE-PLUCKED wax stick to just tame those flyaways. Okay, so I want to tell y'all that I left this hair on for a very long time so that I can get it this purple. And typically when I would do that on, you know, hair, it could cause shedding because, you know, I'm over processing the hair. But surprisingly, like, this hair took it really well. Like, I was a little shocked that I didn't get a lot of shedding. I can honestly probably count the amount of strands that fell out after I was done, you know, dyeing the hair. But I was really surprised that the shedding was very, very minimal. So that is always a plus in my book. And I also like to put the PRE-PLUCKED underneath like my front where my parting is, where I want like the swoop side of it on so that it'll be a little bit lifted and not so flat. And I'll just started recently applying like my foundation on my bronzer on my hairline so that it can blend better into my scalp and make it look more natural. But this hair turned out really amazing. Like, I'm really happy with how it turned out. It just looks so good. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn that bell on down right there, and follow me on all my social media accounts. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I'll list everything on the screen and down below for you guys to look at. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.